My great-granddad from Oslo, when he was 23, boarded a schooner, set out across the sea, along with his two brothers in 1861. Settled near Fargo, became American. Alex came from Kiev, Julong from Taipei, Maria from Mazatlan, Maud from Galway Bay. Mothers and fathers, daughters and sons, put their dreams in motion, became American. It's a story as old as this country is young. Red, white, and blue stands for freedom, justice for all. That's the hardest one somehow. We all came here on different ships, but we're all in the same boat now. Whether Christian, Sikh, or Muslim, Buddhist, or Jew, we're a patchwork quilt of customs, menus, and views. Diversity is who we are, so welcome everyone. We're a coat of many colors, we are Americans. It's a story as old as this country is young. Red, white, and blue stands for freedom, justice for all. That's the hardest one somehow. We all came here on different ships, but we're all in the same boat now. Some were forced against their will, shackled to a deck. Stayed on our history, one that lingers yet. Struggle still ongoing, time cannot transcend. Pray our better angels can heal us in the end. In the big picture, no matter where we came from, we're all simply human beings sharing the same small planet who desire the same universal things: respect, love, justice, security, freedom to speak our minds, to challenge authority, opportunities for ourselves and our children to get ahead. Join us at the table, welcome everyone. That's what makes us who we are. We are